You can be at the desk and check if there's any like anomalies, or you can be a doctor, which is really hard. I will warn you.
I will fucking warn you. You will get eaten by skinwalkers. Okay.
Okay. I'll be a doctor.
Okay, so first, in case we need to switch, in case we need to switch, I'm gonna teach you how to be this one too. Okay. Okay, and after this patient, we'll be done, and then we'll get to have a doctor come in and inspect our work and see if we did good.
We trust our professionals. It says.
Now we come over here. Oh. Don't mind how the deers look ugly in here.
We're a doctor.
Yes, but this is like, I don't know. Fire. I'm Dr. Harlow.
So beautiful.
But his ears are gone.
Don't give a fuck. I do. The dudes are ugly as fuck.
All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always.
Shut it up. Okay, so now we get the bicep from here, I think. After that. Top secret. Oh my gosh. Says you did the best. Okay, and then a shop open up, you can buy stuff to help you. I think. Oh, wait, maybe not this shift, my bad. We wouldn't do good enough.
Was that a shark? What the fuck is that?
We don't,
Yeah, you're an anomaly. You're an anomaly.
no, we...
Oh fuck no. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Something is blocking the shutters? What?
How do we fix that? I've never had this before. Do you use shutters to reject people? There we go. See?
No.
There we go. Okay, come on. The supply shop is open. I love whoever works there. I love them because they look so adorable. You can get a teddy used to revive one dead.
Oh, I love him.
So adorable. Oh, so cute. Is Myth's real? I don't know, broski. Oh my gosh!
Huh?
It's Rathu.
Matthew? Who's Matthew?
Come see. He's tough. Everyone loves him. The whole fandom loves him.
Oh my! I just saw him cry in one of the.
I hear things. I see things.
It's okay, Rocky.
Okay, what does this broski have? Flu, headache, and bleeding.
Room 8. What is room 8?
There's no roommate.
Yeah, there is. It's on the other side.
Fuck, there's a surgery.
Surgery?
Over here. Okay, ignore Rathy for now.
How can you tell?
See, this is the surgery room.
Oh, jeez.
Rathu, you're gonna be okay.
Oh, Rathy was the one. Oh my.
I'm your trusted doctor, Rathu.
Alright. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck do I do?
Look.
IV drops. I got it, bro. I got it. Medicine, green medicine. Antibiotics.
Okay, so one thing.
The knife. Get the knife.
I can't carry any more things. My drop.
You can't. Fuck, we need. Okay. Just try and get any. If it says anything you're holding, then do it. Rathy, I'm sorry, bro. Medkit. What else?
Tristan. We did it!
Okay, Rathy's okay.
No, I need your help.
Oh my gosh, it's the coffee guy, so we're fine. The only one left right now is the coffee guy. IV drops, get the IV drops. Get them. Bandages. Oh, okay. Scissors.
I'm trying to do it, it's not popping up.
You got it to his side, remember, don't go to his head. Fuck.
What happened?
Wrong treatment, we have, bro.
It said medkit.
Oh fuck. We just killed someone. Oh my gosh, this motherfucker wants cup.
Give me some coffee. Get the fuck out.
Wait. Let him leave. He has to leave. We don't know, bro. Wait, we can't. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I don't like being refused.
Yo. I'm sorry. We're sorry, bro. Oh, the blue dog? You get to be the blue dog. Cause the skin. Oh. That's a skin. The blue dog is a buddy.
Imagine being rejected. Surgery?
Bro, what?
Okay, hold on. Yes, we did it.
Okay, doctor's arriving.
Let's go.
Alright, we got this, bro.
I also want the
Fire started? Fire. In room 2.
What?
Put it out, put it out, put it out, put it out, put it out. It makes your sanity go down. How much is your sanity? Oh, did they throw up?
Slime.
Slime?
What do we do if they're an omelet?
Tell me, then if it's an anomaly, I'll come and save you. You are a good guy. Yes, I know Rathu, thank you. My name is Rathu.
I think we know.
Yes, my sanity is so low.
Okay, they're starting to eat. They're starting to eat.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Yeah,
Jeez.
fuck you.
How low is your sanity?
31. I'll be fine.
I can't. Okay, remaining 2 patients. Where are the 2 patients? Okay, so do you just go drink the coffee?
Doctor is arriving. Matthew? Huge anomaly attack. Yo, why the fuck is he running away? What do we do?
You have to quickly heal them. You go for different patients. Go for different patients.
I'll go for it.
Fuck is a slime? What do I do? Who dropped it? Just stuck it on the bed. I don't know what to do. Who dropped it? Some guy. Alright, those are going. He's on fire. Where? No, he's gonna die.
I think if 3 patients die, we lose. We have one more chance. About to die.
Oh my gosh.
Who's about to die?
What was the other thing? Shit, I'm not gonna read it.
No.
It's not fair!
Oh.
There you are, Mr. Krabs, just like new again.
Now all we gotta do is keep SpongeBob away from...